Lesson 24, Joining Dates. In this lesson, we'll attempt to join text and a date, and discover that there's a problem, and so we'll briefly introduce how Excel stores dates, and how to solve the problem using the text function. Well, we've been using the concatenation character, and I want to do that again. Join it with some text. Was born on ampersand C2. I expected to see that this person was born on December 2nd, 1981. Instead, I get Thomas Stewart was born on 29/9/22. Well, what is 29/9/22? It turns out that that's how Excel stores dates. On a Windows PC, it's the number of days since January 1st, 1900. On a Macintosh, that's the number of days since January 1st, 1904. Now here on the Windows PC, if I take a look at the underlying values, so I'll hit Control tilde, you'll see, sure enough, that date is actually stored as 29/9/22. So when it says Thomas Stewart was born on 29/9/22, they're actually saying it's been 29,922 days since January 1st, 1900. Well, that's an amazing bit of trivia, if you're Cliff Clavin. But I've never had a manager call me up and say, "Hey Bill, how many days after January 1st, 1900 is that project due?" It simply doesn't come up. Well, we used the proper function in the last lesson, and in this lesson we're going to use a new function called text. I'm going to ask for not C2, but the text of C2. And the second parameter is the format that I want to use. For example, maybe mm/dd/yyyy. And sure enough, that will convert my text to the date format. Now, if you sit around memorizing custom number formats, you could build anything you wanted in here. For example, 4Ds, comma, the 4Ds will spell out the day of the week. 4Ms will spell out the month, D, comma, and then 4Ys will format the date like this. Now, if you don't have all the custom number formats memorized, that's no problem. There's a great way to figure out what the custom number format for any cell is. Here, let's come back here to our date of birth cell, and we would go to Format Cells. There's a couple of ways to get to Format Cells. The great shortcut key is to hold down the Control and press 1, or we can click the dialog launcher here in the Number tab. Although a category may be shown, I want to click on Custom. And when we click on Custom, we get to see the actual custom number format that's behind that original category. I'll choose those cells, Control C to copy, click Cancel, and now I'll come back to my formula and actually paste the custom number format right into the text function. The difference between this format and the format that I typed originally is that we don't get a leading 0 before the 6 in June 18th, 1942. The text function is great for both dates or for currency. Perhaps at the bottom of an invoice, you would like to say, "Please remit $18,472.56 on," and then have a date, the due date. Well, you could do all of that using the text function. There you have it. I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than Live Lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live Lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.